everybody? Today we're going to learn a dance called Redneck Angel. This is a really good one to know because it's a staple at most country dance halls you go to, but it does have turns. So even though it's considered a beginner dance by a lot of people, it confuses beginners because of the turns. So I'm going to teach it to you with turns, and I'm going to teach you a couple of options you can do if you're an absolute beginner so you can still keep up on the dance floor. Let's get started. We're going to start by rocking our right foot to the side, so your weight should be on your left foot. So we're going to rock to the side with the right foot, recover on the left, and cross your right foot in front of your left. Okay? Keep in mind this is not the exact choreography, but this is the easiest way to do it, which is what we like on this channel, right? So we're going to rock right, recover onto the left, cross your right foot in front of your left. Okay? Your weight should be on your right foot. So rock and cross. Now we're going to do the same thing the other direction. We're going to rock onto this left foot to the side, recover on the right foot, cross your left foot in front of your right. Your weight should now be on your left foot. So that's rock and cross, rock and cross. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. I always take big steps so you can see what I'm doing, but if you want to take smaller steps, it helps you have more balance, okay? So rock and cross, rock and cross. Your weight should be on your left foot. You're still facing forward. Now we're going to do a quarter turn over our left shoulder, so we're going to end up facing that direction while we step back onto this right foot. Step back. This is where you see people do this styling where they kick with this left foot. Okay? So it looks like this. Rock and cross, turn, kick. That's 5, 6. For 7 and 8, after we kick this left foot, take a rest for a second in case you don't feel like you have your balance. You're going to step back onto this left foot. This is a coaster step. You're going to step back onto this left foot, back together with the right, and forward with the left. So after we do our rock and cross, we turn, kick, back, back, forward. Again, ready, go. Rock and cross, turn, kick, left, right, left. One more time. Ready, go. Rock and cross, turn, kick, left, right, left. And on that turn, you can do little hip bumps too if you want, okay? So you can do like a little bump, bump, left, right, left. One more time, try it with those little bumps. Ready, go. Rock and cross, turn, kick, left, right, left. Your weight should be on your left foot. Make sure that when you're doing those rock and crosses, you're putting your weight on the foot that you crossed. Because if you do this, you're not going to feel right and you're not going to be able to do the next part. So it's rock and cross, turn, kick, left, right, left. Okay? If you don't have that back, back, forward, don't worry about it. Just do a little left, right, left in place. Okay? Let's try that. If you don't have it, you can try that out. Ready, go. Rock and cross, turn, kick, walk in place. Okay? Moving on. Our weight should still be on our left foot. This is written as a locking step, but I will show you an option if that's too hard. So a locking step is you're going to step forward on this right foot, lock your left foot behind your right. Your weight is now on your left foot, and step forward on that right again. So it's right, left, right. Okay? Locking step. Right, left, right. Then we're going to do one to the left. Left foot steps, right foot locks behind the left foot steps forward. That's 3 steps. Okay? So it's left, lock, left. So those two together are right, lock, right, left, lock, left. If you want an easier option, just shuffle it forward, right, left, left, right, left. You don't have to do any crazy behind the foot movement, okay? So choose the one you're going to want to do, and let's try it now. Ready, go. Right, left, right, left. Let's try from the beginning. Let's try it with counts, starting from the rock and cross. Ready, go. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5, kick 6, coaster 7 and 8, locking 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Let me do the easy version with you. Ready, go. Rock and cross, turn, kick, run in place, shuffle right, left, right, left. Yeah? Okay, here's where we get to the turns. This is how it's supposed to look. Locking step, right, turn right, left. That's how it's supposed to look. So let's try it with the turns, learning it first. Then if you don't think you can do that, I will teach you just what to do instead of that, okay? So we've got the locking step, left, right, left. So now for this first turn, we're going to step forward on this right foot. Then we're going to do a half turn while we step onto this left foot and then step forward with your right foot. Okay? That's 5 and 6. So the locking steps were 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, turn 6, and then we're going to do toward the right. It's 3 steps. You're going to step left, right, left. Okay? So it's left, right, left. So with each step of those first 2 steps, you're doing a half turn, then you're just stepping forward on the left, okay? So from the locking steps, it's right, left, left, right, left, forward, turn, forward, stop right there. Now we do our turn where we do it over our right shoulder. It's step back with a half turn, step forward with a half turn, and step forward onto that left foot. Let's try it. Locking steps first. Ready, go. Step, lock, step, lock, step, turn, step, turn, step. If it helps you to say the words, try it. Let's try it. Ready, go. Locking step, turn, step, turn, step. So it's step, turn, step, turn, step. They're different types of turns. One more time, and then we'll do the easy way. Ready, go. Locking step, turn, step. Okay? So now, if you want to just do the easy way, instead of our locking steps, we just did a shuffle right, left, left. The point is to get a half turn, right? So all we're going to do is run in place and turn the opposite way. Right, left, right. That's easy, right? That's all you have to do. So just right, left, and then you can just shuffle forward, left, left. So you don't have to do that last turn, okay? So the easy way, we're going to do right, left, left, right, shuffle forward. Easy, right? So try it again. Ready, go. Right, left, left, turn it out, shuffle forward. Just to get yourself there. It doesn't matter how you look, as long as you're there, so you don't bump into anybody and you're back where you started. And that's where we start the dance again. So choose which way you're going to do right now. I will do the actual way for the people trying the turns. All right, here we go. Starting from the locking steps. Ready, go. Locking step, turn, step. Okay, one more time. Ready, go. Locking step, turn, step. Yeah? Okay. Let's put it all together. I know. 5, 6, nice and slow. Rock and cross, bump, kick, coaster, step, locking step, turn, step. Are we there? One more time all together. Ready, go. And cross, rock and cross, bump, kick, left, locking step, turn, step. One more time, I'll do the easy way. Ready, go. Step and cross, rock and cross, bump, kick, left, right, left, step, 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 turn and turn. Ready, go. Rock and cross, turn, kick, left, right, shuffle right, left, right, left, half turn, and shuffle forward. Yay, okay. New wall. We have to do it all over again, facing a different direction. 5, 6, take it from the top. Rock and cross, bump, kick, left, right, left, locking step, step, turn, step, step, step. I know, when you're facing a different direction, you don't know which way you're gonna go. So let's try it again. Now we're here. Ready, go. Rock and cross, bump, kick, left, right, left, locking step, step, turn, step. You should now be facing the back of your room. Let's try this wall now, nice and slow. Ready, go. Rock and cross, bump, kick, left, right, left, locking step, step, turn, stop. You should now be facing this direction. Let's see if we can do it one more time. Ready, go. Rock and cross, face the back and kick, left, right, left, locking step, step, turn, step, step. You should be back where we started. If you're not, press rewind because now I'm going to do 4 walls in a row. Let's just go for it a little faster. Ready, go. Rock and cross, bump, kick, left, right, left, locking 1 and 2, 3 and 4, turn 5 and 6, 7 and start again. Rock and cross, bump, kick, left, right, left, locking step, step, turn it out. Again, rock and cross, turn, kick, left, right, left, locking step, step, turn, step, rock and cross, step, kick, and locking step, step, turn, step. How'd you do? Hopefully you did awesome. Thank you for learning Redneck Angel with me. Click the link for the next video or click the link in the description and it can take you to a video where we can dance and practice with music. Have fun!